The purchase profit is assessed through the margin survey, which takes invoices from independent community pharmacies, and most pharmacies will have had requests for invoices for a specific month. We sample from the invoices collected from both generic and brand medication, and through the 12 months and all the various invoices that are collected, the statisticians aggregate and make a calculation of the amount of margin that has actually reached independent pharmacies in the system. It has a massive time lag built into it, and it's not responsive to the changes in prices that we see when you get the levels of shortages and associated price rises that we've seen recently. That we try to deal with through concession prices, and then that again has to factor into the margins survey. So far as I'm concerned, Simon arrives at the beginning of May. I'll stay and do a handover through May, and then thereafter I shall be at the end of a phone or an email anytime he wants help. I'm certainly not just walking away and brushing my fingers and saying, "You're on your own, Simon." So I will continue to help wherever I can, but I think from what I've seen of Simon, he'll get his feet under the table and get going pretty quickly. The system of having a drug tariff and set reimbursement prices is all part of a swings and roundabouts system that aims to deliver a certain amount of margin and profit on purchasing overall. But we have a real problem at the moment with the price rises. There is a current system for concession prices, but when we apply for concessions after getting reports from contractors, the Department of Health makes its own inquiries, and the concession prices that they then propose to us reflect the results of their examination. At a time like this, there are lots of variations in prices. We do eventually get the overall compensation for price rises through the margins system, but it takes a lot of time, and I think what we've seen in the last 6 months or so has been unprecedented in the scope and the scale of it. My team, my dense team here, are doing their very best to try and get urgent price concessions through, but it has been a really big addition to the tremendous financial pressures that pharmacies have had to bear over the last 6 months or so.